Bro, what the hell? It actually works. I thought it would crash, but it just keeps spitting out reels. Alright, so here's the plan right now. I've got the reels posting pipeline working. It's actually creating the videos and pushing them out. The next step is making it smarter so it can write the captions the same way a real person would. What I'm going to do is dig through the app and find the exact view where Instagram stores the reel description, like the caption text, hashtags, maybe even the draft metadata. Once I locate that view, I'll pull out everything that matters, the structure, the fields, how it's saved, and what gets sent when you hit post. Then I'm taking that whole chunk of info and feeding it into GPT so it can generate a code for me, basically the exact implementation I need. After that, I'll just run the generated code, test it end to end, and if it works, it means the entire captioning part is automated too. So yeah, from here it's just find the view, extract the data, send it to GPT, run the code, and we're fully hands off. All right, now I'm gonna show the part that still feels unreal to me. I took the snippet GPT gave me, and I'm pasting it into Friday right here. Nothing fancy on the surface, just code in, run, and we watch what changes in real time. And the idea is simple. Instead of me manually digging through the feed, I'm forcing the app to only let through one category of content, cats. So anything that isn't a cat reel should basically get filtered out before it even reaches what I see. Now I hit run and watch the screen. The feed refreshes, and immediately you can see it. It's cats, cats, more cats. I'm scrolling, swiping, opening a few. And it stays consistent, no random clips, no unrelated stuff, no almost cats. It's just cat content back to back.